With an annual production of 40 billion cookies sold in over 100 countries, Oreo remains one of the best-selling cookie brands worldwide. But how did these cookies become so popular, and how are they actually made? The production process of Oreo cookies begins with carefully blending basic ingredients such as flour, sugar, cocoa, fat, and possibly other flavorful additions. These ingredients are meticulously combined to form the dough that serves as the foundation for the distinctive cookies. During the dough preparation process, additional elements such as vanilla extract may be added to enhance the flavor. Once the dough is prepared, it is rolled out to a uniform thickness, and round cookie shapes are cut out. The shaping machine is a highlight of the production process. This advanced machine extrudes the dough through grids, forming it into the characteristic round cookies with the engraved Oreo logo. This machine can impressively produce 5,000 cookies per hour. After the cookies are shaped, they go into the oven, where the delightful texture and flavor of Oreo cookies emerge. Baking the cookies is a crucial step in achieving the perfect balance between crispiness and softness. While the cookies cool, the vanilla cream filling is prepared. The signature filling of Oreo cookies, consisting of a creamy blend of sugar, vanilla, and fat, is prepared separately. This filling will later serve as the heart of the beloved cookie sandwich. The cookies are precisely arranged in rows on conveyor belts, after which they are positioned correctly for the cream filling. A pump applies the vanilla filling to the flat side of the cookies, and then the top and bottom cookies are joined together to create the characteristic sandwich structure. Mechanical fingers separate the cookies into batches, and grippers move them to trays for further processing. The entire production process takes about 90 minutes, an impressive feat given the scale of production. Quality control plays a crucial role, where the cookies are inspected to ensure they meet the company's rigorous standards. Once approved, the Oreo cookies are carefully packaged in the recognizable blue packaging and later placed in larger boxes or containers, ready for shipment to distribution centers for global distribution. Oreo cookies, the iconic treat with their irresistible sandwich structure of 2 chocolate cookies and a creamy vanilla filling, are a worldwide phenomenon and are manufactured by the well-known company Mondelez International. The secret production process of Oreo cookies is closely guarded, but we can outline a general overview of the steps involved in creating this beloved treat. The history of Oreo cookies dates back to the year 1912. A creative baker at the national biscuit company Nabisco decided to create something unique. He conceived the concept of 2 round chocolate cookies with a delicious cream layer in between and named them Oreo. Not only did the cookies look great with the word Oreo on them, but they also turned out to be a taste sensation embraced worldwide. Over the years, Oreo cookies have evolved and undergone various flavor variations, including temporary and seasonal flavors that continually surprise consumers' senses. Returning to the present, in 2024, Oreo cookies continue to be a global sensation. People of all ages enjoy the unique taste and texture that this classic cookie offers. The ongoing popularity of Oreo cookies is also reflected in impressive figures. With an annual production of 40 billion cookies and availability in over 100 countries, Oreo remains one of the best-selling cookie brands worldwide. In addition to the classic Oreo variant, various flavor innovations have emerged over the years. Limited edition flavors and seasonal variations have entered the market, sparking consumers' curiosity. From mint to peanut butter, from birthday cake to pumpkin spice, Oreo's flavor adventures seem endless. The production process itself has evolved with advanced technologies and machines. In 1912, it might have been unthinkable that Oreo cookies would be produced at a rate of 3,000 cookies per minute. Modern factories are filled with advanced machines that work with precision and efficiency to meet global demand. As we reflect on the history and production process of Oreo cookies, we can conclude that this treat is not only a delight for the taste buds, but also a symbol of timeless joy and culinary innovation. Oreo cookies have conquered the world and continue to be a source of pleasure for millions of people worldwide. Whatever the future may hold, one thing is certain: the magic of Oreo will continue to shine in the hearts of lifelong fans and new generations yet to discover this delightful experience. If you're interested in learning more about production processes, from raw materials to end products, watch our other videos and subscribe. Like this video, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned. Thanks for watching.